Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to change this 17% as a decimal. So let's start with today's video solution. So right now is it in percentage and we have to convert it into decimal. So first the symbol of percentage is equals to 1 by 100. So in place of percent we can write 1 by 100. So it becomes 17 times 1 by 100, which is equals to 17 by 100. Now, if there is two zeros with 1 in denominator, so we can easily put the decimal before two places in numerator. So there is two places, ones, tens, put the decimal before it, and there is no digit before decimal. So we will write 0. So 17 by 100 or 17% in terms of decimal is 0.17. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.